and conviction. Newa do achieve. Gimwaneno karacha newa do wanwalose on the table. Koro wane waonge lweny. Maktan lweny mang'eny maneni kindwa police. Ne nyalo na bedo na aige dispaswa. And police machon be nejo mariek. I can remember okanyalo wacho ndiere ka wane wan goons. Goons giobiru 1997. Ka Joja Ladwa jeshi la mzee. Iwinja. Ingeni gimarani Kenya ka information so bit mang'eny buji kia jo maricho jo mabeyo. Ikara na YK 1992. To some extent you would think nene ginjo maricho. But YK 1992 be nejo mabeyo nikechanya longisi ningato ka as much as negini kanu gibe nentien neginge ntie jo moko maneni kanu mane kethono moi. Elijah Mwangale nene kimukiza kituo yombo by 25th December mukiza kituo no ngene MP. And who enabled mukiza kituo to be MP negenjo YK 1992. They were being driven by conviction. Diere chauknen lwen mokomane neno makoro wanenogi. Ne wan grogs youth mokomatino tindo, but there was a purpose. Kata na wani ne wan go for Kenya Youth Congress. Ne wan go Operation Moi out. And I remember one day in one demonstration Cleophas. And the yugi non wanko yugi o mark. To yugi ngene ngama neja kanu kabisa. The little yugi. To non wanka pola buor mina no ne masani MP manongoni. Came and talked to us. Anu chiengo lang odio Crispin orinya oke wane juma ne lead demonstration. Okane wachopo mane waso lead demonstration kwa chopi office of the president. Wa local placards. No yugi must be released. We were not doing it no ajokanu. We were doing it no. Oyugi and Minister Mary to koponu udwa make just because of Owuko mapoku investigate malaria. Then he must be released.
Nutume kaka jonganyo makawaida kusunu kaka goons.
No, one joma ne biro driven by conviction. We wanted change. We wanted a country. Ma constitutionalism ema guide the nation.
Ango ma guide goonism ni mwana
ngo. Mato koro keche manyo kelo.
Keche ne unge ndalocha?
No, ingene diere ka. Let me tell you, ingene Cleophas, one young people maneneka, wapogre go jogi. One ingeyo ne one joma ni school. And as you are growing, you are learning certain student leadership. Nibro somo Mandawiro Muganga, Ibro somo Tita Dungosi, Ibro somo James Orengo, Ibro somo Kiombaka, Ibro neno Raila Odinga mania jela, Ibro neno, you see, Matiba ngeno okubange, kara ila soga de jela. Ibro neno Chuka. Now you are driven by a passion. Why did this man, or Chuka, who was a Kenya Army, who is a Kenya Air Force officer, Ngamanya Lorian Bondege, an engineer, Nyalo offer himself to fight for democracy of a nation? This is somebody who is a civil servant. Koro newa study gagigi. That's why we are being driven by a passion. Emomi okarakane wade kamoro. Waningen luenjo mangene luenjo police. Onge dukato mani toro. Nen luenjo mangamo donjo. Kada police ego no ngeo no kagido nike kwa wege bugi donji college to they will kill us. Omyugi mane kwa nyali ye ni mokongo is to donji college. Iwinjo donji areas more control. We were never allowing that. Kegibe kagi donjo they will deal with us properly. And then saningen you go to everything is there, technology is there. One police and agoa ma kanyota yegu mo he was intelligent. Yes, you can know me lodu gembe. One don't you want to put. Nike Jesu no me raba runge magraba sigi. Emomi wange maga Cleophas. One ebeni Jesu go wangembe kadonyo waonge kadonyo aniga put. And luencha emomi okane waso gore. Bu achieve multipartism. To waweore gugirodi obedo wajumbe. Kenu angenu waso achieve our purpose. To gimomi adwa gero ni ma. Iwinjo Cleophas kidwa ngene wapogore. Nyithi Jomo Kenyatta University ne the botoro ogoyo Nation Center bogoyo a Diamond Trust Bank bugik moko lalie kanyo bujo mano mark no bedo charged globally with violence. They came to us with Orengo. Tawacho Orengo ni gini okwanyala project demonstration kinyu ya ubunge adwaro Karl Marx, adwaro Kioko, adwaro Jojo Mondi, kaso adwaro gi Tanyiso Adrian, ni Kenya dwa no chok students tetu wadhiri to moidho bunge. Kwa dhiri to moidho bunge, kidwa ngenu wane waniko passion gria kwa mangeni. Any job face robbery with violence. That onge bond or anything. When you are facing a robbery with violence, there is no bond you can take case. Koro wari to come work. To your university we want to talk to the chancellor. Ingenu walalo pach moi bu moi koro gon police talker. I want one of the students to address me. Koro Mondi, who was the Secretary General, Ochung, a microphone, my president. To Ajunu Moini, you are the chancellor of the universities. To you think your mark nejela. To give better charge Moginya Nenowako. What kuwai kaka chancellor? Intervene. Moi no go have understood you. Ki nekano adi court gorengo. The charges were withdrawn. So you see, we were driven by a passion. Iwinja, newa pogo rigi kimene nogi. And that's why there is a change. Emo miyujo kanyisi ni jeshi la mzenga mubirogo. Nairobi ka. Ne ni Georgia ladwa. Kane ubiro ke ni youth for Kano. Magume mokelugi. You know, politics are very bad.